Hello, my name is I have a Kenmore upright freezer model number 253.220424110 that I purchased almost 2 years ago and it stopped working. The green light at the bottom is lit and the light inside is lit. We replaced the relay switch and we heard a click one time, then nothing. Any suggestions on what I should try next?
Hello, I'm Joel and we'll be glad to help you today. If the fan in the freezer is running and you have replaced the start relay on the compressor and the compressor is not starting/running, then the compressor is bad. However, if nothing is running, the fan in the freezer or the compressor, let me know, thanks. In the meantime, please read below. The only way I get credit for the time I spend helping you is if you rate the answer by clicking on the star rating system at the top of your page, 3 stars or higher. Since I have given you the initial answer, I ask that you go ahead and rate the answer so I get credit, and any follow-up questions will be free, and of course I will continue to help until your issue is solved. Thank you in advance.
Nothing is running the fan or compressor.
Okay, if that is the case and nothing is running, then the thermostat is bad and needs replacing. Refrigerator temperature control thermostat part ###, click here. Also, I just wanted to say thanks for the rating, and before ordering the thermostat, just make sure it is not stuck in defrost. If it is, then you will need to replace the defrost timer on the unit. Pull the freezer out and look at the back of the unit by the compressor. You will see a white component with a dial on it. Turn that dial to the right and see if the unit kicks on. If so, replace the timer. I included an image of the parts diagram for that unit to give you an idea of the location and what you are looking for. Click here for image. The timer is freezer defrost timer part ###, click here.
If you have a home improvement or appliance question and want to chat with an expert, now visit JustAnswer.com/YTHI.